Namaste. I, Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today's our topic is quality and quantity control of the crude drugs. So, what is natural products? We start from the natural product. Natural products are the chemical compounds or substances produced in the living organism, produced by the living organism. Importance of the herbal medicines. Overall 80% of the world population depend upon the traditional herbal medicines. Plant based on medicines are 62 millions, are medicines are 62 billion dollar, okay, global market. And then plant based medicines are 1 billion US dollar, annual growth of about 15%. Medicines account for the 30 to 40% of the health expenditures. Then what different just like what is quality. Firstly, and different words we encounter, just discuss about those terms. What is quality? So the when we talk about the quality, different type of quality. So the quality means the status of the drug that is determined by the identity, purity, content of the other chemical, physical, biological properties of the drugs is the quantity. Then what is the safety? To assure the drug did not have any hazardous effect is safety. What is the purity? Purity, not contaminated with potential harmful substances are purity. What is the potency? Potency is content of the active constituent within the limited defined limited. What is identity? The herb is the herb, the one it should be one should be identity. What is quality control? Quality control is referred to Quality control is referred to the process involved in the maintaining the quality and the validity of the pharmaceutical products is the quality control. Firstly, how the herbal production is done, how herbal are prepared, or herbal preparations. Herbal preparation is obtained by the scientific treatment such as extraction, distillation, fractionation, purification, and fermentation. All are the herbal preparations. These include communicated or powdered herbal substances, tinctured extracts, essential oils, processed exudates. These are the herbal preparation. How herbal is preparation? This preparation is done by the extraction, distillation, and etc. What are the herbal substances? Herbal substances are precisely defined by the plant part used. Example like leaves, stems, rhizomes, roots, bark are the plant part. Certain exudates that have not been subjected or to specific treatment are also considered to be a herbal substances. Then what are markers? What are the markers? Markers are the chemical defined constituent or group or constituents of herbal substances which are interested for control purposes independent of whether they have any therapeutic activity. What is the need of quality control? Why we have to do the quality control? What is the need of the quality control? Quality control is used for standardization. Any standardization have to be done by the quality control. Reduce adulteration with the substandard drugs. Okay, improper authentications, scientific validations of therapeutic claims, identify purity, efficacy, safety is done because of quality control. Custom satisfaction, confidence are done because of quality control. If we do quality control, all these measures are done. But the problem is what are the problems which we face in the quality control? Herbal drugs are usually mixed or mixtures of many constituents. If we produce any herbal drug, these are the mixtures of many constituents. Then it become to the herbal drug. Okay, the active principle are the most in most cases are unknown. है ना? Right? Selective analytical method or references compounds may not be available commercially. Plant materials are chemically and naturally variable. The same species varies in various drugs contents depending upon the locality, cultivation, process, etc. The source and the quality of the raw material are variables. The method of harvesting, drying, storage, transportation, processing, for example, mode of extraction, polarity of the extraction solvent, instability of the constituent, etc. have an effects. Okay. There are many guidelines. WHO guidelines are there for the quality control and standardization of the herbal drugs. Like standardization of the herbal drug or a fruit drug, plant parts, plant materials. Example, firstly we have to define the name of the plant, part of the plant, nature, condition of the material, whole plant is used or powdered is used or fresh, dried, etc. Authentication, confirmation of the correct geographical design or origin. Next is correct stage of the growth. Next, absence of the foreign material should be absent, like other plant part or material, soil and stone or dust or insects, other animal materials is as the determined by the microscopy, macroscopy, chromatography is used. Microscopic characteristic confirmation identified by the qualitative features, quantitative features. Okay, then comes toward the radioactive combination limiteds arising from the environment. Decomposition of procedures are there, different assays are there. Assay for the making from the material, for the material constituent are known, therapeutic activity or known unique marker compounds. Non-specific assays are methods are there for the group of compound may be for the group of compound may be used where the specific assay methods are not available for a single compound. Okay, then we come toward the processed plant materials or non-plant material, extracts, tinctures, comminutions, etc. Definitions like liquid or solid or etc. Organoleptic characteristic of the plant, like it what is the macroscopy, smell, taste, textures, color of the plant. Then chromatographic profile, using more than one method to confirm the presence of unique compound like markers, to confirm the characteristic TLC chromatograms, to confirm characteristic HPTLC chromatogram, TLC plus densitometry, HPTLC. Water content for the hygroscopic material. Ash value, what is the ash value? Indicate extent of the contamination with inorganic materials determined by the insertion value, include acid inside the drug. Volatile matter for plant containing volatile oils or volatile material, like determined by the steam, determined by the distillation. Powdered material is test method for acceptable limit for particle size and distributions. If if the product is mixed of the plant material, the supplier must provide evidence that each component plant have been individually tested. Heavy metal limiteds, for example, from the environment, population and pesticides, Contamination limited. Microbial contamination arises from the cultivation, harvesting, processing and storage. Confirmation of absence of E. coli, S. aureus, P. aeruginosa and Salmonella. Limited of fungal toxins. Residual solvent from processing. Next, pesticide residue limits are arising from the cultivation. And next is extractive values, like extraction of different solvent indicate the proportion of the polar and non-polar compounds. Okay, then what is the analytical procedure? There are the different analytical procedure. First parameter, in which the parameters are used. First is biotechnical botanical parameters, in which the sensory evaluation, foreign material microscopy is done. Then physiochemical method are there in which the ash value, extractive values, volatile matters, volatile oils, determination of crude fibers, and determination of moisture contents are done. Firstly, botanical parameters. Botanical parameter in which the sensory evaluation is done include a visual macroscopy and touch, odor and taste. Then foreign material including foreign plants, foreign animals, foreign minerals. Microscopy, micro including the histological observation and measurements. Okay. Then physicochemical method. Physicochemical methods like ash value, in which the total acids, insoluble and water soluble. Extractive values in hot water, cold water and ethanols. Volatile matter, loss of drying. Volatile oil, by steam distillation is done. Determination of the crude fiber and determination of the moisture contents. Biological parameters, as already, bitterness of value, in which the bitterness value, unit equivalent bitterness of the standard solution of quinine HCl can be done. Hemolytic properties on ox blood by comparison with the standard reference solution of the saponin. Next, astringent property, tannins that bind with the standard hide fibers, powders. Swelling index in water, forming index from the height produce 1 gram material under specific condition. Then next parameter is taxonomical parameter. These include the various identification process like arsenic, pesticides residue, heavy matter, microbial contamination. Arsenic stain produce HgBr2, paper comparison to the standard strain, pesticide residue including total organic chlorides and total organic phosphorus, heavy metal like cadmium, mercury, lead, etc. There are the different parameters. Like next is microbial contamination. Microbial contamination, total viable aerobic count of pathogens. Example: Enterobacterium, Enterobacteriaceae, E. coli, Salmonella, P. aeruginosa, S. aeregus. Example: Malleolotus officinalis. Then aflatoxins by TLC using standard aflatoxins B1, B2, G1 and G2 are the aflatoxins. Next is radioactive radioactive contaminations. These all are the taxonomical classification of parameters. These are the parameters, which is what are the analytical procedures. Analytical procedure in which the two parameters are there: biological parameters, in which the physiochemical chemical methods are done, and biological parameters include bitterness value, properties, astringent properties, swelling index, foaming index. Then toxicological parameters, in which the arsenic, pesticides residue, heavy material, microbial contaminations are done. Okay, thank you, namaste. If you have any query, please comment below. Thank you.